Is it ever possible to combine worksheets together in Excel? All right, it is very, very possible to do that. So how can we do that? Just follow me and you will see how we can do just that. All right, so first, all you need to do now is to get all your Excel worksheets in a particular folder. All right, so this is mine here. If I should open this, all right, this is my, I'm having three worksheets here that I want to combine together. All right, so I'll just go ahead to open my Excel. All right, here I'm having my three Excels that has been opened already. This is it here. These are the three of them. All right. So now, after actually opening three of them or putting three of them in a particular folder, the next thing you need to do now, we're going to be doing this in a new worksheet. So I'll be creating a new worksheet with Control N to create a new worksheet. This is it. All right. So what do I need to now do next? I'll come right straight to my data tab. I'll click on my data tab. Then I'll move and click on get data. I'll click on it. So just follow me along, you will get it. In fact, this is just a short and simple process on how we can actually do the combining. All right, so when you click on get data, you come down, you see from file, then inside that from file, you see what we call from folder. You click on from folder. Now click it. Good. Now, after clicking on this, it actually opens this. Then I'll come to my folder. I'll open. So this is why we need to put all of our worksheets in a particular folder. It's going to help us. All right, so this is the combine here. I'll click on combine. Then I'll be selecting combine and load. We have combine and transform data. Combine and load too. So I'll just click on combine and load. All right, so it's evaluating. Let's give it some time. All right, so when that is done, this comes out. Right. So now what we'll be doing here now is we just select on a fold this folder here, select on this and then you click OK. Alright. So after doing the combining, this actually comes out and then we are good to go. So this is just how we can combine our datas in a particular worksheet. This is just a simple process. We actually want it to be like having sheet 1, then sheet 2 and sheet 3. It is still a simple process we should follow. All right, so all you just have to do now is to just follow me up. I'll be releasing the next video, and on my next video, I'll be showing you how we can do just that. All right, guys, so hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon, and then follow me for more, and be expecting that in my next video.